So hello everyone, my name is Guru Sonal and today I will talk about my project which we name was a network clone which I made using HTML, CSS and some kind of JavaScript part to functionality to add a functionality. But inside this project I do not use very much amount of JavaScript part. Like let's see this project. So there is a Netflix logo which was a static part which I downloaded from the Google and all these stuff. And after that there is a navigation link which where user can hover, so it will be change their color by on over them, and there is a navigation icon for search and but it will not show very properly because of the background, and this background are certain part of a static, like inside this there is a hover effect on this text, and there is a play pause button on them. There is a also use hover effect, and there is inside this part I use also kind of a hover effect, and this is all the part of a static. And after that there is top 10 movies or series in your country and trending now, and sci-fi shows and all these stuffs, and there is a footer part. I use also when a user can hover, so it will be underlined text was underlined. And this is the basic static clone of Netflix which I developed in the my development journey, which I build to gain some kind of knowledge in my HTML CSS part and gain some JavaScript knowledge uh, using their functionality and all. So this is from my side. Thank you.